The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snowfall for the following counties. In Illinois, Cook County, DuPage County, Grundy County, Kane County, Kendall County, Lake County, McHenry County, and Will County. In Indiana, Lake County, Newton County, and Porter County. This winter storm warning is in effect from 10 p.m. this evening till 5:30 p.m. Saturday afternoon. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Event: heavy snow with possible sleet throughout the night. Timing: from late Friday night to late Saturday afternoon. Accumulation: snowfall between 5 to 10 inches. Temperatures dropping to as low as 6 degrees Fahrenheit. Impact: snow and ice-covered roads will impact the daily commute Saturday morning. A winter storm warning is now in effect. You are listening to the emergency alert system. You may now resume normal programming.